If you've ever started a book and abandoned it halfway, this video is for you, and it has nothing to do with your talent. Start by choosing your genre. This gives your story boundaries and direction. Next, pick a rough word count. A typical novel is around 70,000 words, but it doesn't have to be exact. Remember, what you're doing here is just giving it a playground for you to play in. Fortunately, you don't need a detailed outline. You only need 3 things in it. That's simple. So let's do an example. A single mom owns a struggling motel. One of her customers is found murdered. Some obstacles. You can do false suspects, police pressure, someone threatening her, and some resolution as she ultimately uncovers the truth and saves her motel. That's actually enough to start writing. This is the stage where books die. Not because the writer isn't good enough, but because they try to write too well or too perfect too soon. The first draft is not for quality, it's for momentum. Your only job at this stage is actually to move forward. Write scenes out of order, skip research, leave notes like fix this later or insert argument here, and set a pace you can sustain. Do 5 pages a day or 5 pages a week. Adjust your outline if needed, and then keep going. And trust me, once you pass that halfway point, you're going to get that momentum, and it's going to usually carry you to the end. Keep watching. For most writers quit, and once you know how to get past it, finishing a book becomes more real. Right now, pick one story you want to complete. Doesn't have to be the perfect, doesn't have to be the dream book, just one you think you can finish this year. Everything that comes next only works if this draft exists. Now imagine you finishing your completed manuscript. That alone is huge. This is your chance now to think big picture first. Think character arcs, plot logic, pacing, chapter order that you feel that you might need to change. You can then rearrange chapters, strengthen weak sections, cut out what isn't working, add different characters or mini arcs, or combine them. Most writers skip this and try to polish too early, but don't. Big fixes should always come first. Once the structure or foundation works, feedback becomes incredibly valuable. Your draft is coherent, but of course it's not polished. But that's exactly what you want when you want to engage beta readers, because you need them to help you see confusing sections, inconsistencies, weak or slow moments. Their job isn't to rewrite it for you, it's to show you where readers will stumble and trip up, and things that you're too close to see. Look for patterns in their comments, not individual opinions. Remember, you're the author, and you're going to decide what goes in or not into your book. Now your book at this stage will become professional. So this is when you do the line editing, the copy editing, the clarity, the readability, the style, the grammar. You're going to read it so many times, and you'll still find mistakes, but that's okay. That's normal. Keep going. This stage can take weeks or months, sometimes for me up to 3 to 6 months, and that's fine. You're preparing a print-ready manuscript and you need it to be polished. When you've done this, you have a real book. This is when your book leaves your computer and enters a scary world of readers and publishing, and you can choose your publishing path, whether couriering agents or self-publishing. Both are very valid choices, and I have videos and guidelines to help you through this, whichever path you take. I'm here to help. When you're actually getting to that stage, don't stop writing. While publishing this book, start the next. Writing gets easier, faster, and more sustainable when you do that. Now, rest assured, finishing one book permanently changes yourself as a writer, and you'll see yourself different as a person knowing that you are an author. This 7-stage process works because it removes guesswork and keeps you moving forward. Finish one book, and every book after that becomes easier. If you need any help and ask any questions you want, comments below. I'm here to help. And if you happen to like these videos, click like and subscribe. Happy writing.